What is InDesign? Adobe's Creative Suite is pretty extensive and is filled with programs for a lot of different uses. One of those is InDesign. As niche as it sounds, its main focus is on creating page layouts and stationery. Think brochures, magazines, and greeting cards. Cool. But does that deserve its own program? You might think you could do that sort of thing in Photoshop or Illustrator, and you're probably right. You could definitely fire up either of those programs and make do with making a newsletter. But Photoshop is designed for editing photographic images, and Illustrator is for making scalable graphics. InDesign, on the other hand, is designed for adding those edited images into a broader layout. So if you want to make a funny meme from the photo of a friend, and also make it a sticker, use Photoshop, then Illustrator. But if you want to add your creation to your meme monthly newsletter, then use InDesign. And if you want to save time while making your flyer or booklet, get a template from Envato Elements. They're all professionally designed with stunning layouts. Just drop in your images and text, and voila, you've got a publication that's ready to be shared after just a few clicks. This InDesign Lifestyle Magazine template comes with 14 stylish pages, and is just one of thousands available on Envato Elements. The best part is that you can download all of them, thanks to the unlimited downloads that are included in the monthly subscription. Just check out the links in the description to check out what Envato Elements has to offer. Subscribe to Envato Tuts Plus on YouTube. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Thanks for watching.